Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making crispy chicken and potatoes with a lemony herb sauce. It's a super simple recipe, but I have a few tricks to help you elevate your weeknight dinner. Let's go ahead and get started. To begin, preheat your oven to 425 and arrange your racks in the upper and lower thirds. While the oven preheats, thoroughly dry your chicken quarters and set aside on a small tray. Season with salt and pepper and drizzle with a generous amount of olive oil. Rub everything in to coat the entire piece of chicken. Make sure to wash your hands after this step. Next, dry and slice your potatoes and toss with more olive oil, salt, and pepper. Space potatoes out evenly on a baking tray and place in the preheated oven. While the potatoes roast, we'll get the chicken nice and crispy. Add about a tablespoon of butter and olive oil to a hot cast iron skillet, followed by the chicken skin side down. Sear on one side for 6 minutes and then flip and cook on the other side for an additional 4 minutes. Before we finish cooking the chicken in the oven, carefully remove the rendered fat and then return the chicken to the skillet and roast in the top third of the oven for 20 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. This is also a great time to give the potatoes a little toss. While everything finishes cooking, we'll throw together the herb sauce. Into a blender or food processor, add any combination of oregano, thyme, or tarragon. Then add the zest of 1 lemon and a squeeze of juice. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of sherry vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mayo, a splash of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt and a crack of black pepper. Pulse until the herbs are extra finely chopped and the sauce is emulsified. Transfer to a bowl and set aside till ready to serve. The potatoes are nice and crispy, perfectly done. The chicken has reached 165 and is perfectly crispy on the outside. To serve, plate the potatoes and chicken and drizzle generously with the herb sauce. And voila, crispy chicken and potatoes with a lemony herb sauce. All right, I'm ready to take a taste. This looks delicious. I need to get the perfect bite with a little bit of the chicken and that sauce on there. The chicken and the potatoes are so crispy, and that lemony herb sauce is what really helps to elevate this dish. I've linked the recipe below, but make sure that you like and subscribe for a new video every Sunday, and leave a comment and let me know what you like to make on a weeknight. All right, I'll see you in the next one.